On today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing another perfume, and the perfume I'm going to be unboxing today is Dynasty by Lattafa. Dynasty was released in 2025. Yeah, I know I'm kind of late to the party, but I'm glad I'm here, right? I'm going to be unboxing Dynasty and telling you everything I think about this perfume. My last video, I unboxed Angam second song. If you have not seen that video, rush down and watch the unboxing and first impression of that perfume so that you know what to expect from this Angam second song. But that is not what we are talking about today. Today we are unboxing Dynasty by Lattafa. Let's get into it. Dynasty by Lattafa is one of the Lattafa perfumes that I have been waiting to try. The reason is because of how well it has been talked about on social media. So that is why I was always looking out for this perfume so that I would try it for myself and see what it smells like. Now let's unbox this perfume, shall we? Like a crown. I like it. Spray out some of the perfumes. This smells like a tea perfume. All I'm just getting from this is tea vibe. Tea vibe. This Dynasty kind of reminds me of Liam Grey by Lattafa, because that one as well is a tea scent, a black tea scent. I mean the Liam Grey, right? This kind of smells similar to it. Also, this also kind of reminds me a little bit of the Musamamu White Intense, also by Lattafa. These three perfumes, Liam Grey by Lattafa, Musamamu White Intense by Lattafa, and this Dynasty by Lattafa, the three of them, they are giving me the same vibe. This Dynasty, I like it. I like it. Let's spray it on skin and see what it smells like on skin. I like it better on skin. I like it better on skin. This is a beautiful scent. This is not your typical floral scent. This is not your typical floral scent, and it's not your typical fruity scent. Honestly, there is nothing fruity about this perfume. The main accord of this perfume is fresh, spicy, smoky, woody, citrus, herbal, aromatic, powdery, musky, fruity, and amber. Yes, I agree. It's fresh. It has fresh, spicy. Yeah, I sort of get this smoky accord as well. The woody, not so much. The citrus, yes. Herbal, aromatic, yes. Powdery, not so much. Fruity, no. The notes of this perfume is bergamot, ginger, clary sage, raspberry, nutmeg at the top. At the middle, it has rooibos, tea, and suede. You see? I said it. It smells like tea. At the base, it has cedarwood, cashmere, and amberwood. For first impression of this, I'll give this 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it 8 out of 10. It smells like tea. It smells aromatic. It smells herbal. I like this type of scent profile, right? All these type of herbal, aromatic type of scent profile. I think every time I try a perfume that smells like that, as long as it's not giving sharp, right, in the nose, I'm going to gravitate towards it. Okay, that is what is happening with this Dynasty. It's a scent profile that I like. Every time I have tried any perfume that is in this fragrance family, I always tend to like. So that is the same thing with Dynasty. First impression of this perfume, I like it. I like it, and I can't wait to see what happens, after a while of maceration. I think I'm going to leave this to macerate for like I think I'm going to leave this to macerate for like a month or so. But before that month, just know that I'm going to be wearing it. Of course, I'm going to be testing it out. While it's macerating, I'm going to be testing it out and going through the journey with it and see where it eventually leads me after 1 month. Okay, so yeah, Dynasty by Lattafa, beautiful perfume. I like it. This is one of those perfume that a high quality perfume by Lattafa. This one is also high quality by Lattafa. I think about the quality of this perfume, it reminds me of Lean by Lattafa. All this type of scent profile, it's the type of scent profile you get in niche perfumes, okay, not the mass appealing type of scent. Will I say this is a blind buy save? No, this one is not a blind buy save. If you want to try out Dynasty, you have to test it out for yourself before you know if it's something you like or not. So that being said, if you would like to try out Dynasty by Lattafa, you don't know if you want to commit to a full bottle or not, send me a message on Instagram at perfumeenclave.ng and order for your decant. I'm here for you. If you are struggling to buy decants, what am I here for? Send me a message for your decanted perfumes, okay? And yeah, that's for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Remember, keep smelling your best. God loves you. My name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.